Alright, so welcome back to Pinoy Screencast. So this is a alternative tutorial kung paano mag-download ng Windows 10 since may mga nag-comment sa akin sa Facebook, sa YouTube, and sa iba pa mga social media na nagkakaroon sila ng error and hindi daw tumutuloy yung first method ko. And this is the second method, and this was contributed by John Nicole Navarrete, and thanks to him. And this one is you need to here visit the microsoft.com/en-us software-download-windows 10. So I'll put the link in the description box of this video where you can go check it out. So as you can see, actually I am now upgraded to Windows 10. If you will see that this is my Windows 10, really nice. So first is you need to download kung anong version ng inyong Windows. So if you're running on 32-bit or 64-bit, so just choose within these two. So I am running on 64-bit, so I have downloaded it, and ito yung itsura nung setup. So once you have downloaded it and open it, so it will ask you to what to do. So first is there's an upgrade this PC now and create installation media for another PC. So this one, if you're upgrading this PC, for example, kung saan ka mag-download and yun yung i-upgrade mo, so this is the settings for you. But if you're upgrading a separate PC, laptop, or a convertible, this is the choice for you. So create installation media for another PC. So just click upgrade and then click next, and it will go to the whole process. And it's very easy. It will just download all the files, the necessary files para ma-upgrade ang inyong Windows. So since on my end, I'm running on Windows 10, and again, this one, ang itsura ng Windows 10 kapag upgrade kayo, and it's totally really nice and very fast. And I really love this browser. This is the Edge browser. It's really fast, and when you search for things and even the Cortana and other stuff there, so mabilis na mag-load, and I really like it. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So once again, I'm Arnavino of PinoyScreencast.net, and see you on my next video.